Hariam children, already I have explained to you the concept about percentage. Today I will do some solves related to percentage, not from the book but from outside. The book's sums solution I will send you in the PDF form. Now related to percentage I am doing some extra questions. See it. Let's first see the question number 1. This is the question number 1. Question number 1 given, two candidates contested an election. One of them secured 58% votes and won the election by a margin of 2560 votes. How many votes were polled in all? So the question asks you find the total number of votes polled. But which one is unknown for you, or which is the question? That you have to take a variable. So let the total number of votes polled, let the total number of votes polled is equal to x. So winning candidates getting 58% votes. So winning candidates got 58% votes of what? Of the total vote. That means 58% of x. That is 58x by 100. Now total votes 58% means out of 100, if the winning candidate getting 58%, the losing candidate will get 100 minus 58. So it becomes how many? 42%. So the losing candidate candidates got 42%, total 58% means out of 100 votes, 58 votes getting the winning candidate. So rest is the losing candidates getting. So losing candidates 100 minus 58, it will be how much? 42%. So losing candidates got how many votes? 42% of the total vote. So 42% of x, that means 42x by 100. Now the winning candidate won the election by margin of how many votes? 2560 votes. That means the difference of votes between the winning candidate and the losing candidate is 2560 votes. So according to the question here, write, according to question, the winning candidate's vote 58x by 100 minus 42 losing candidate's vote 100 is equal to 2560. Now you solve it. LCM is 100. 58x minus 42x is equal to 2560. 58 minus 42, 16x by 100 is equal to 2560, implies x is equal to 2560 into 100 by 16. It will cancel with 4, 6, 4, 0. Again cancel with 4, 6, 0. So it will be 160 into 100. Directly I am writing, no space is here. So you have to write 160 into 100. So it becomes 16,000 votes. Understood? X we have taken the total number of votes polled. So X you got 16,000 votes. Understood how to solve? Next question I am doing. See, So this is the question. So the question given, the price of an article is increased by 25%. 25% given here, and by how much percent this value be decreased to restore its former value. Let the original price, former value means again comes to the original price. So the let, we have question given how much percent this value, first it is increased, then it is decreased. So how much percent it should be decreased, question asked, to get the original value. So let the original price, let the original price be X. So first it is increased by 25%. So increased price is equal to X plus 25% increase. So increase in value 25% of X. That means X plus 25 by 100X. If we will solve this one, X plus 25 by 100 cancel. So X by 4. If we will add the LCM 4x plus X, it will be 5x by 4. Clear the increased value. Now this price we have to be decreased to get the original value. So original price is X and increased price is 5x by 4. So how much the price would be decreased? So decreased price to get the original price. How much we have to decrease this value, increase value, again we will get the original value. So decreased price is equal to 5x by 4 minus x. So it will be 5x minus 4x is equal to x by 4. This is the decreased price and this is the increased price. So percentage decrease. From the increased price it is decreased this much. So the percentage decrease to find, we have to find first the decreased price you got. Now to find the percentage of decrease. So decreased price divided by, from which price it is decreases? From this increased price. So divided by 5x by 4 into 100. Percentage you are calculating means into 100. So decreased percentage is equal to decreased price is x by 4 divided by, from which price it decrease? Original, that means the increased price. Here the increased price is the original price because from this price it is decreased. So 5x by 4 into 100. So it will be x by 4 into 4 by 5x into 100. 4 cancel, x cancel. 5 cancel with 100. 100 by 5, it will be 20%. Here you can give the percentage symbol. Clear? So this is the answer. Understood? This problem little bit twisted. Understand properly the question. So this is the way to solve. Next question I am writing. How much money had he? That means how much money in the beginning, or the original money, the person. So that is unknown to us. So right here, let the original money or the total money, let the total money be X, and he gave 35% of his money to his elder son. So money given to his elder son (35% of X), 35% of X, that means 35x by 100. Clear? You keep it like this, or otherwise you can also divide. If you will divide, it will reduce form will come, or you can keep like this. Then 40% of the remaining to his younger son. 40% of the remaining. This point you nicely understood. 40% of the remaining. So first we have to find the remaining money. So remaining money x minus 35x by 100. So 100x, LCM is 100x minus 35x is equal to how much? 65x by 100. 100 minus 35x, 100x minus 35x is 65x by 100, remaining money. Then the giving to his younger son 40% of the remaining money. So money given to his younger son is equal to 40% of the remaining. So 40% means 40 by 100 of the of means into remaining money is 65x by 100. So 0 cancel, 5 cancel, this is 2, 13. These 2 cancel, 2 is 4, so 13 into 2, 26x by 100. So the money given to elder son 35x by 100, money given to the younger son 26 by 100 out of the total money. So but in the question given, money left with him is 11,700. So the money left with him we have to first find, then we have to compare with this amount 11,700. First you find money left with him. Money left with him is equal to, in the beginning the total money is x minus money given to elder son 35x by 100 plus money given to younger son 26 by 100. So money left is equal to x minus, here the LCM is 100, 35x plus 26x. So x minus 35 plus 26, 61x by 100. Now x minus 61 by x by 100, LCM becomes 100. So 100x minus 61x is equal to, it will be 39x by 100. Clear? This is the money left with him. But in the question given, money how much left? 11,700. So here we have to write it according to the question I am writing here. According to the question, here 39x by 100 is equal to 11,700 rupees. So x is equal to 11,700 into 100 by 39. Cancel with 3, 300. So 300 into 100 It will be 30,000. 30,000 rupees. So X, what we have taken? The total money. So how much money had he? Means in the beginning the total money is how much? So X, you got 30,000 rupees. So understood how the problems I have done, different types of problem. So in the next video I will show more problems I will do in this video this much. Okay, thank you.